Here's how to quickly change the verification and recovery email address on your Snapchat account without your old email address if you no longer have access to that account. So launch the app. From your profile, go to Settings, and then to My Account, and then go to the email address section. Now this is your current address. To change it, first make sure you're using a Gmail or email that is not linked to any other Snapchat account. Now you gotta carefully type in the new address that I want to switch to, and then hit save. Now as you can see, a confirmation mail is sent to that account. So to protect your account, you gotta check the inbox, open the mail, scroll down and tap on confirm email. You'll be redirected to a web address, and if everything is okay, you'll see that this new email is now verified. You can also go back to the section to cross-check, and you will see your email address is now changed and verified. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.